We got white Jeeps, we got blue Jeeps, black Jeeps, Rubicons, Saharas, whatever you want. Not really, they're all bare. But with some rattle can and a little bit of time, you can make these anything you want. I recommend the high temp, but look at these things, man. Just keep coming and coming, lining them up. So many people registered for the giveaway. We're excited, and we know these things are priced right to move and make people happy in their backyard. But for the most happy guy, right now, today is a giveaway. The winner is right here. Without further ado, it is Jason Bowman in Pueblo, Colorado. Lucky guy. But here's the cool thing. He's real lucky, but the rest of you are lucky too. Because unlike registering to win a Mercedes or something where you move on with your life, now you can just buy a fire pit for $365. And any link we have, our website or any social post, is going to take you directly to a shopping cart. It is a trusted cart that we have vetted. You can get that fire pit immediately into that cart, sold and done, and they're on your way to your backyard. It's going to be awesome. Thanks.